Isabella, guard the family's fortune. It is your duty to bear. Flee. Flee, Isabella.
Mother!
You must conceal your true self. Your strongest and most unique white wolf. It's too powerful for you to control. My daughter, swear to me, you will not seek revenge. Just live.
Today marks my 18th birthday. I hid my identity, survived, and even found my mate. My parents in heaven must be proud, right? Your future Luna has arrived. I also brought my homemade cake. You said today would be promised to the both of us.
Oh, yes.
How dare you walk in without decorum and interrupt us?
Max, how could you do this to me? I'm your mate, your future Luna.
Future Luna? That's my title. Kneel, you little girl, and witness my power.
Who are you? Let me go.
Greetings, noble Lisa, daughter of the great Blood Claw Pack's Alpha. How thrilled I am to know that you will be Max's future Luna.
Then what am I, Max? You betrayed me. I'm supposed to be your mate.
Who do you think you are? Lisa is an Alpha's daughter. You're just some stray we picked up. You should be grateful for the roof of your head.
What? No,
A cur like you. Max would never choose a cur like you to be his Luna.
Max, I'm your mate. How can you just stand there while they hurt me? Max, have you forgotten the promises you made to me?
That was a long time ago.
So you're the little virgin that Max mentioned. You must be Isabella. Look at you on the verge of tears. Fine, I'll forgive you just this once.
Dare you lay a hand on noble Lisa? Be gone, Isabella.
Madam, please. For 10 years, Isabella has carried the family's burdens and treated you like a mother.
Silence. Worthless dogs like you have no place here. No wonder the two of you are friends. Low-born Omega.
Don't lay a hand on Mia.
Isabella stood by you through all of your sickness. She took care of you.
Enough. Touching my woman is unforgivable. That is my creed.
At least, you still see me as your woman.
I, Max Wolfheart of the Shadow Pack, reject you, Isabella Bow, as my mate.
I suppose that I never recognized this man for who he truly was. I, Isabella, accept your rejection, Max Wolfheart.
As future Luna of the Shadow Pack, I'll be generous. Stay, work by day, and be our little plaything by night. You'll enjoy it.
I concur. Stay with us, Isabella.
We grew up together. You were my love, my life. How dare you betray me!
You ungrateful wretch!
Wait, my wolf! Wake up! Acalia! Lend me your power. We must fight back.
What? She truly maimed Lisa?
Impossible! I am the strongest she-wolf! What trick did you use, you filthy dog? Oh, my hand!
Gather your things and go. Vile half-breeds.
Leaving this hell is what I want anyway. You owe me a lot more than that. Now return me my family's fortune at once.
Possible.
Return my money, now!
Without Isabella's inheritance, your family would never be this wealthy, nor live in a place like this.
Shut your filthy mouth. You've no place here. We raised her. She owes us everything.
For 10 years you imprisoned me. I would rather wander without a home than bow to your disgraceful demands.
There's no evidence that it's yours. You'll never get a cent.
Mother, I'm so sorry, but we must reclaim our heritage. I didn't want to have to do this, but you forced this ending.
My child. I came as soon as I heard. I'm so sorry. Come with me.
This man adopted me, the only light in my life.
My wife and son wronged you, but I care. Please don't leave. I swear, I'll help you avenge your family.
I'm grateful, Alpha Zachary. I'm so grateful. But I must go.
Darling, I warn you, do not incite my anger. 10 years ago, I saved you from ruin. Have you forgotten?
Of course I haven't forgotten that. But Max betrayed me and Diana hates me. You promised me revenge when I came of age. That time is now. You lied? Let me go.
Where's your civility? Do you have any idea how powerful your enemies are?
I'm sorry, Mother, Father. I was blind. They never saw me as their own. But I'm still too weak to avenge you.
Where have you gone, Isabella? I must find you.
I must speak with Zachary. He's the one who raised me after all.
How dare you! Don't you ever lie to me, Zachary! Why have you been keeping her here? Who is Isabella? Tell me the truth at once!
Fine! I didn't mean to hide the truth, but nobody else can know this. What I'm getting ready to tell you, she is worth a lot more, way more valuable than her wealth.
More than wealth. You hypocrite! You thief! Liar! I hope you rot in hell. I'm leaving.
This is a plot twist I didn't see coming. But now that you've heard it all, leaving won't be that easy.
You'll never get the money.
Is that so? Why don't you try and stop me?
Alpha King. Reports confirm that the girl Alpha Zachary took in has come of age and defeated the mighty she-wolf Lisa.
Is that so? No one in the Shadow Pack has shown such power before.
10 years ago, when the last Alpha King was slain, his daughter vanished.
Her parents were remarkable leaders. What of it?
Rumors claim Zachary hid her, but no proof ever surfaced. His true intent remains unknown.
I must meet this girl.
Think carefully. If you leave now, you can never return.
Return? I was never wanted in the first place. Your family imprisoned me for 10 years. Now that we're no longer mates, I'm taking back everything that is mine.
Without her money, I could not fulfill my wedding promises to Lisa. You can have 100,000, but no more than that.
That's very generous. You should be grateful.
100,000. What a jest. Mere scraps of my family's fortune. Zachary vowed to guard it. Yet you dare try to steal it now?
If you're unhappy, you can always sue me in court, but no one will believe a word you say.
Why don't you stay and become my lover? Where did you learn this? And why hide it?
You've never truly known who I am.
Who are you? And why do you have such power?
Are you mad, Isabella? Attacking my son, your future alpha. Guards, grab her!
No!
You need to reconsider your actions, Isabella. I'm willing to give you a second chance.
Save it! Beg the moon goddess for forgiveness for your thieving hands and your lying heart!
Silence! You have no idea who you're speaking to.
Alpha Zachary, urgent matters await. Alpha King Benny is here.
Benny!